If you are completely new to SAP SuccessFactors and want to learn about basic navigation, so this video is for you. So when you log into the system, you come to the home page, which has two menus, one on the left side, one on the right side. And in middle, we have a search field. So these menus are used on the left side. This is main navigation menu. So this is used to access different modules which are enabled in the instance. So here we see there are a couple of modules which are enabled and for which this user has permissions. In addition, the user can also see employee file, his or her own file, as well as company information, which includes organization chart and some resources. And then there are, if that user is an administrator, that user will have access to admin center. So these are common tools. Rest depends on what is implemented for within your instance and for which you have permissions. This is main navigation menu. On the right side, there's a user menu. So that is used to reset password or log out from the system, as well as to access admin center. And there are some user settings. So user setting, there are multiple settings that users can enable, such as if they want to change their language. So if multiple languages are enabled in that instance, so they go to user settings and come to change language. And from here, they can select the language of their choice. And system interface will be switched to that language, which is selected here. There's some other settings as well. So notifications, for instance. So users can choose if it is enabled by administrator. So user can choose that they want to read notifications, the messages generated by system within the system, or they should receive emails if this is enabled by administrators. Okay, going back to home page, so you can click on the logo, or you can click from main navigation menu, select home, and you go back to home page. On home page, in addition to seeing this banner and the greeting, there are a few sections, so such as quick actions. This is a section where you can see some of the functionalities from the modules which are enabled for your instance. You can see all of them here. So for instance, if you are looking at view my profile, so this link will take you to your file, employee file, which you can access also from the main navigation menu, my employee file, or you can go to the user menu and can choose public profile. Some of the functionalities are available directly from the quick actions. There are some other sections as well. So approval section, this is when you as a user log in and you have some workflow request to be approved. So you will see this section there and the request underneath this section. There's another section for you today. So the day you log in and there is some action, something is pending for you. So you will see all of those notices here for you today. These are system generated. So approvals, and for you today, they are system generated content. In addition, there's another called organizational updates. So an administrator can create different cards and make those cards available on the home page. Okay. The search field on top middle, this is used to search for actions and for people. So if you have permission, you are an administrator and you want to reset password of another user. So instead of going to admin center and selecting relevant tool, you can just type it here, reset password, and you see the action. So you can go to that action directly. And if you're looking for another person's profile, so you type their name here, and then accordingly you can go to their profile just as you go to your profile. But what you see in the employee file will depend on the permissions that you have in that system. So there's a basic navigation that you should know when you are starting learning SAP SuccessFactors. And then there are many other topics that you need to learn to be able to use the system. And that depends on the modules which you want to learn.